you all? I believe you guys are fine. It's your friend John. Guys, today I'm gonna show you the street style dosa under $1, right? So behind me, as you can see, this crazy crowd, and the time right now is 9 in the morning. So let's go explore this place and see the type of dosa that they serve here, right? So if you're watching my vlog for the first time, guys, please subscribe. Let's go explore this place. Let's go. Right, guys, so the shop is right over there, right? So this is the main road here. I'm in a place called Seti Road, right? So right now the time is 9 in the morning, so look, guys, the way they make this, dosa. Hello, brother, very good morning. How are you? Apacho? Okay, cool, brother, cool. So you're making the dosa, right? ये आपका plain dosa भैया? Masala dosa. Okay, guys, this brother is making masala dosa, right? Now look, guys, this is the menu chart, right? Now these are the type of dosa that you get here, right? So this is how it is, under $1, maybe little more than $1. Look, guys, so if you tried this dosa, you let me know. So basically he has this fermented batter here that is sprays in the pan, and he puts the smashed potato. You will see the way he makes this one. So he has this mixture of tomato, onion, and carrots, and the smashed potato in this dosa. So basically, guys, it's a native South Indian dish, but people in Kolkata, they love to eat this, right? Look, guys. Yeah, so it's a native South Indian dish, right? But people in Kolkata, they love to have this, right? It's called the dosa. And South India, it's a different state, guys. And where we are right now is the West Bengal. It's a different state, okay? And yeah, so but people in Kolkata, they love to eat this, right? And this one, you see, guys, this white. This one is called the idli, and this is the spicy, sauce. It's called the chutney, right? What is this? Those kya hai? Chutney. Oh, guys, this one is made out of coconut, right? And mustard seeds. It's called chutney. Ka naam kya dost? Coconut chutney. Oh, guys, this one is called the coconut chutney. Chutney means the sauce, right? Yeah, cool. Look, guys. Cool, brother. Kaisa hai? How's the taste? It's nice? Cool, brother, cool. Enjoy your breakfast, brother. Okay, look, guys. So, this is right on top of the main road, right? And people, they really love to eat this, right? And it's very satisfying, right? Let me go to that side and let me show you, Look, guys. Excuse me. Look, guys. This one is called the vada, right? That they soak in this curry, spicy, soury curry. Look, guys. भैया ये कौन सा डोसा बना रहा हो? Oh, plain butter. Oh, guys, this is the plain butter dosa.
देखे पापा देखे ना टाइम लगेगा नहीं हो जाएगा प्लेन डोसा खाने का नहीं खड़ा कर प्लेन डोसा
Guys, and this one is the cheese dosa. Look, guys. So after they make the dosa, the way they cook it or make it right, so they grate the cheese right on top of the dosa, right? So that was something very unique. So if you tried this type of street food, guys, you let me know in the comment,
पहला वाला
right?
चीज है उन्हीं का ही है हाँ इन्हीं का और क्या है वो एक मसाला डोसा
So
मसाला ये हो गया वो मसाला डोसा
this is how it is, guys.
और दो सांभर बड़ा एक मसाला डोसा
Okay, brother, thank you for your time. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Take care. Right, guys, so that was me trying to show you the native South Indian dish that you get here in the street of Kolkata. It's called the dosa, right? And yeah, so I will be bringing up more videos like this. If you're watching my vlog for the first time, guys, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. It's your friend John. Let's make memories, love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. Peace, guys. Take care. See you soon. And guys, if you want to take this as parcel, that's how they parcel it, right? In that newspaper, and they give you a coconut leaf on top of it, and that's how they parcel it, right? So yeah, guys, take care. I will see you in my next vlog.